I'm here today to give you the rudiments of how to check your bike before you go on a bike ride. I'm Neil. I'm based in Alexandra Park and we're called the Bike Path, and you'll find us on our website if you want to leave a message or anything like that. Right, the first thing to check is A, which is the first letter of A, B, C, D, which is the rudiments of how to check your bike. First of all, A is air. So basically, air is tyres. Air in your tyre. Just give them a press. See if they're pumped up. And not just, well, air is your tyres, but also air is in the tyres and the tyres on the wheel. So you want to make sure the wheel's not flopping around. This has got some slight movement here, which is probably the bearings. We don't know to be investigated further. And we check the front wheel as well. Look at that. That's, yeah. And while we're at it, we'll just back up, spin it round. The wheel's turning round. It's not touching anything. It's not being obstructed by anything. That's great. Just have another look at the tyre. See if there's any pops, gashes, tears, nails sticking in it, glass, etc. Wheels is also consistent of spokes. You can just have a quick, make sure the spoke, but that's a loose one there, we might tap that one later. Just make sure all the spokes are not missing, because that could be a problem. That seems okay. We'll go to the front wheel, we'll have a look at that too. Yeah, see, spoke there, okay. No big things sticking in the tyre. So we might have to come back to that later. That's A for air. B, brakes, very important. Your brakes can't stop you, you've had it. So we just press the front brake, that's okay. Press the back brake, that's good. Also, brakes consist of cables. Make sure the cable, that's quite frayed, so you might have to replace that. That could stick in your leg or your fingers. Quite painful. Cut yourself on that. And front brake cable looks alright. Make sure the cables, just have a quick look, make sure the cable's not going to snap. It can look like it's cut through or something like that, you never know. Okay, so that, I have to press that quite a lot, so I might have to adjust that. So brakes is always the brake locks as well. So you look at the brake locks, you can just see if they're very worn or not. Visually, look down this way like that, and you can see these brake locks, they're worn a bit, but they're not right through to the metal yet, because if they wear a lot, you end up with metal, which is the bottom of the brake lock, touching the metal of the wheel. Then you've got metal on metal, very dangerous. It can dig into the shaft of the wheel, and then you need a new wheel. So you don't want to spend money on new wheels, do you, when you can just spend a couple of quid on the brake lock. So if they seem worn and you think that you need to replace them, it's cheaper than replacing a wheel. So I recommend replacing your brake locks or checking them. Bring your bike in for a service to the bike guy, we'll check them for free. You replace it, we'll replace them. We won't charge for labour, we'll just charge you for the cost of the brake lock. Right, C, chain. Right, we need a chain, because if we haven't got a chain, we can't pedal the bike. The chain goes round like that, as you can see. That's, just check the chain, look at it, make sure it's not broken or anything's wrong with it. It's moving freely on the chain ring, through the cages at the front, through the rear neck, which is the rear derail at the back. That seems okay. It's not seen a lot of oil for a while. We might have to put a bit of oil on this chain. I don't know who's responsible for this, but we will do all that if we do it. We'll put oil on it, no problem at all. So that chain seems okay, just a bit of oil on it. We can go into further details about checking the chain with a chain checker, but we won't do that now. We're just checking that, make sure nothing's dropping off. And we're going on to D, which is drop. So basically you pick the bike up, not far, just an inch, drop it. And if you can hear anything shaking around or anything drops off, this seems okay. I couldn't hear any clangs, bangs, knocks or any other sounds. So that sounds okay. Nothing wobbling around here. Just check the pedals, which is I suppose it's part of the chain, and make sure they go around and not wobbling around and not falling up. So basically, you just turn the handlebars like that. See if, you know, you can put your front brake on, just press it like that, make sure it's not wobbling around inside your headset. That's 8, but that's going a bit too far, but it's just another safety check. Well, and the seat, make sure the seat's not wobbling around. Basically make sure nothing's wobbling around and loose, about to fall off. Very dangerous, things fall off. We don't want to have any accidents or anything like that. So basically, that's just a basic check. We could go into detail, could be here for a few hours. We haven't got time for that later. We'll do other things, full services. We do all that at the bike. So if you need to know anything else, you can leave a message with us. You can email us at the Bike Hive, or you can email us at bikehive@gmail. You'll find that. And well, that's all for today. Thank you for listening.